Over on the wall here in this plexiglass box, we have the Live Fire Challenge. So this one utilizes the cubes that came out of the bottom of the locker. So this is how we set it up. It's pretty blank, except we have this binder up here. And I'll go over what's in that binder in a moment. But if you grab the cubes from the bottom of the locker and bring them over here, you can flip this lid up. And we'll start with the red cube. The red cube, if you slide it into the box in this first slot, nothing really happens. But if you pull it all the way out, put it in the middle, it lights up red. If you take the green cube, put it in the first, nothing happens. Put it in the third though, it lights up green. And then I guess you can guess what happens with the blue. It lights up blue. Oh, yeah, there we go. It lights up blue. So that's how you know the cubes are in the right order. From there, a lot of people are confused about this. Admittedly, this one's really involved. But there's a couple clues to figure out what you're supposed to be doing from here. One is listening to the orange iPad. Will kind of tell you that there's been some fires in California, and you're trying to figure out what is causing the unique color. Also, when you bring down the binder and open it up, it will tell you a little bit about what live fire is. A lot of this is a little bit of a red herring, but it will still give you some more information. Now, I put on the natural light that's normally in the trailer for this video, so you can see why this flashlight is important. So what you're supposed to do is come to the cube, find out what two colors are making up the fire. So you can see in the blue cube, it's actually a light blue and a dark blue. But when you come to the chart, because of the lighting in here, you can't really see the true color. So it really helps if you have the flashlight so you can see the true colors. So light blue, the answer over here is going to be lead. And so the scientific notation for lead is Pb2. So over here on the chart, Pb2. And then since this is in a rectangle here, you're going to take the P and move it down here. Now over here, there's no rectangled letter, so it kind of doesn't matter what you put. I think the answer, however, is indium. So IN sounds fine, but it doesn't even really matter. That was a 3. Okay, moving on into the middle. The red cube is red and yellow. So if you go to the chart, this can be kind of involved because you see there's a couple red ones. People don't really know kind of what they're doing yet, even at this point. But the answer for red is going to be lithium. It can be confusing too because they could put lithium right there and the yellow one right there, which is not wrong technically, but it's not going to spell the word that you want it to spell. So you would put lithium up there, put an L down there. Over here too for the yellow, we want to do sodium because we want to get an A in that box. So an A for sodium, and then move the A down there. Now, 90% of people, once they get this far, will see that they are spelling the word plasma. So plasma is the secret word for California in the Live Fire Challenge. Some people insist on finishing it out, and if so, that's B3. For the dark green, and the yellow again is sodium. But yes, so the word is plasma. That's how you figure it out. This one can be very challenging for people. They sometimes need a lot of help on it, which is fine. But try to guide them instead of tell them.